Alright, let's move it in the spot so we can start working on it. See if we can remember how to start it up. Keep turning it. Set off. There you go. Keep pumping. Make sure it's putting tight. Here, I'll help you. Stand up. Put your weight into it. There you go. Put your little weight into it. Jump on it. Oh, jump on it. Go.
Do that, I'm probably gonna fall.
Oh yeah. Alright, are we jacked up in the air and good to go?
Yep.
Alright, we'll take our hubcap off.
Well, that was easy.
Take a look at things.
No wonder why they come off in the road.
And it can happen. So, what we're doing is looking for where the sound came from. We don't know if it was a bearing, a brake, a rock in it, demons, you know, whatever. We don't know. So, first thing I'm doing is looking at the tire. We're going to try and move it. So you see it doesn't move. Everything's good and solid. Everything's up and down, good and solid. Doesn't go nowhere. Everything spins like it's supposed to. Bearing looks like everything's good, and there everything's spinning like it's supposed to. Proper and solid. So now that all that looks good, we're going to at least take off this tire and look at the brake and see how the brake looks. Why don't you get over here and help, man? I'll do this, you spin the ones that are loose. That one up there. You can do it by hand. Next one. There's the tire out the way. Come on, let's get in here and look. So, we ain't got no gouges on the rotor. Nothing out of the norm there. Rotates just fine. Brakes are even on both sides, so it's not a slide that's stuck that I can see. They don't look to be stuck. So I'm not sure. Can't really look at the inside back bearing because everything in the way, obviously. But from what I can tell, it's all good to go.
Just being wonky.
That's it. Possessed. That's what we say. Possessed. Well, we gotta let the head mechanic get a look at it. Tell us what you think in there. Tell us what... Check in brakes for us, okay? Did you get them all fixed up? Are they good? Check them proper. Yeah. Alright, Mechanic Deuce says they're alright. They're good to go. Put it back together. Mechanic Deuce gonna put it back together for us. Gonna go really fast, he says. I'll take care of it in 2 seconds. We're gonna double check them after we move it a little bit. You can, that's all for today. That's all for today, man. We're good to go.
Good.